Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to factorize this quadratic expression right here, which is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus 2y minus 2x minus 35. All right, let's get started. First of all, you should remember that x plus y raised to the power of 2 is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, which you can clearly see from the first to the third term. You see that? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Therefore, we can replace the whole of this with x plus y to the power of 2. Therefore, from here, we can rewrite it as x plus y raised to the power of 2. But we have 3 other times. You see them here. Minus 2y minus 2x minus 35. But if you observe, these 2 times have what in common? Negative 2. So let's factor it out. This is the same thing as x plus y to the power of 2 minus 2. In bracket, we have y plus x, right? But we can write it as x plus y all the same. The minus 35. Let x plus y be equal to z. So wherever we have x plus y, we replace it with z. So this is z squared, right? Z squared minus 2 times z, then minus 35, which can also be factorized. Just think of two numbers, which when you multiply them together, you get this negative 35. But the moment you add the two numbers together, you shall obtain negative 2. And the numbers are negative 7 and positive 5. Once you multiply these two numbers together, you shall obtain this one. And the moment you add them together, you get this one. So how can we factorize it? We take z minus 7, right? Multiplied by z plus 5. But remember that z is what? X plus y. So let us back substitute and we are good to go. So instead of z, we have x plus y, then minus 7, then another x plus y plus 5. And this is the factorized version of this quadratic expression. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.